Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is what's in the box. Today, the first release for the Athearn Genesis AC4400CW. This is an all-new tooling model. It was announced as a Genesis 2.0, and between its announcement and the delivery that happened in the spring of 2024, Athearn's branding was modified to be just straight Athearn Genesis, as you see on this package. It comes in the usual cardboard box with the foam liner, and the model is enclosed inside. The paperwork includes a guide for the DCC information, an exploded parts diagram, which I always appreciate seeing. And then there's also in this release decals, which is not typical for most of the Genesis related things, but the unique Kansas City Southern handrails, the yellow handrails with like the black striping around them, in order to make that a possibility for modelers, the best option Athearn came up with was that sheet of decals that you can apply to the yellow end handrails if so desired. The model comes securely packaged inside a clear sleeve with the model itself wrapped in film and packed snugly into a clear cradle with the foam dividers protecting the handrails. There's also the black plastic pads beneath the trucks to keep those in place and keep those from being damaged. The model is based on a 50-unit order that the Kansas City Southern received in gray paint and in 2007 began renumbering and turned into this beautiful Bell Heritage paint. This is a later era production. It has extended dynamic brakes. That's the three openings there behind the cab. There's several other features that are also included on this Athearn model, including the PTC antennas and the GPS domes. You've got GE steerable trucks on it as well, the late notched fuel tank, and many other features. This is a fantastic model, and it is a spring 2024 release, along with several other road names in the group. The Blue Leaser, the CEFX or City Group, Chicago Northwestern, CSX, and of course this Kansas City Southern. The model retails for $364.99 and comes with Soundtrack Tsunami 2 sound. Taking a look at the inside, the shell completely removes from the chassis. As you can see, those brass posts are the connectors for the shell's lighting. There is lighting up in the shell and it connects to the chassis that way. The two sugar cube speakers are there over the back trucks. Very nice, and notice the detail along underneath the piping and conduits there below the frame itself. Beautiful locomotive. This is the brand new Athearn Genesis AC4400CW diesel locomotive in Kansas City Southern Bell Heritage. And that's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.